I'll teach you what is the difference between differentiation and integration. So differentiation, for example, 2x power of 4. So the power of 4 we will bring in front and it will times with 2, and the power of 4 we will minus it 1. So the last answer it will be 8x power of 3. So you can see that differentiation always involve these two process only, which is minus and multiplication. So second, integration. Integration, you will it's the same question, the same example, 2x power of 4. The power of 4 will add 1. After the outcome of add 1, okay, 4 plus 1 will be 5. So that 5 will come to divide. So the final answer will be 2 over 5 x power of 5. Okay, so basically integration, the most they will involve these two only, which is plus and divided. So another example, like this is like most important difference, which is what if a differentiation got x, so the final answer it will be 1, and different if you integrate the 1, it will be x. So what you can see here is differentiation will be eliminate all the numbers or all the variables out, but integration, it will add the numbers and the variables inside. So that's the basic thing. So without more further explanation, let's go and see our friends who are teach you some example of differentiation and integration.
Hello, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to do the tutorial differentiation. My question is number 9. So the question is differentiation to the process whereby we calculate D. So the answer is D. Is a gradient to a curve at any point on the curve. Is question number 10. So first thing first, you just have to replace the x with the number 2. And so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. Equals and then 2 plus 1. So this is how you calculate it, and then you will get a minus 4 plus 1, and then the final answer that you will get is 5. So guys, this is how you do a simple and easy.
Hello everyone, my name is Donishana today and I'll be doing for MCQ question number 11, which is fx sama dengan 1 per punca kuasa 2x tolak 3. So mula-mula kita akan keluarkan punca kuasa ini yang akan menjadi 1 per bracket 2x tolak 3 punca 1 per 2. Step seterusnya ialah kita akan bawa equation ini ke atas yang akan menjadi bracket 2x tolak 3 tutup bracket negatif 1 per 2. So dia menjadi negatif kerana kita bawa dari bawah ke atas. So automatik ia akan menjadi negatif. So step yang seterusnya ialah kita kena guna rule number 7, which is y equals to fx n. N akan dibawa depan, lepas tu n tolak 1, and we differentiate the x and multiply. So let's do. So menjadi negatif 1 per 2 tulis balik equation 2x tolak 3 negatif 1/2 n tolak 1 ke sini tolak 1 darab dengan differentiate fx 2x tolak 3 we differentiate we'll have 2, so we will times by 2, so we times we potong menjadi negatif 2x tolak 3 punca negatif 3/2, kerana negatif 1/2 tolak 1 akan menjadi negatif 3/2. So kita akan bawa negatif 3/2 ke bawah yang akan menjadi negatif 1 per bracket 2x tolak 3 tutup bracket 3/2. So ini ialah jawapan terakhir kita. Terima kasih.
Hello, my name is Adam Norizani. Today I'm going to explain this question about differentiation. Okay, this is the question. First, we need to differentiate it. We need to change this to positive. Okay, that's it. This is the answer.
Hai guys, ni Syed Tasyan kembali. Saya dekat sini nak ajar pasal integration, di mana saya buat dengan cara 2 dalam kurungan 3x 2/3 dalam kurungan 3x minus 1 dalam tutup kurungan 3x plus tambah 5x kuasa 4 tambah 2/3x tambah 6 dx. Ni macam mana saya mendapat 1 plus 5x plus 4 plus 2/3 tambah 6. Ni jalan kerjanya, di mana saya buat cara potongan, di mana saya membawa dekat sini 2/3x tolak 1 kuasa dapat negatif kuasa 2, pasal mana-mana kuasa yang ada di sini haruslah ditambah dengan 1, di mana saya mendapat negatif 2. Lepas tu per negatif 2 di sini pula tambah 5x plus dapat 5, dekat sini pun harus menambah 1, di mana saya dapat 5x kuasa 5 per 5. Lepas tu di sini 2/3x kuasa 7 haruslah ditambah dengan 1. So dekat sini 2/3 per 7 x kuasa 7. Jawapannya adalah senang, di sini mana haruslah potong. Di sini tak perlu potong. Di sini saya membawa 1 dekat atas, di mana saya dapat negatif 1 per dalam kurungan 3x tolak 1 kuasa 2 tambah x kuasa 5 dalam tambah 2 per 21 kuasa 7. Inilah cara saya mendapat jawapan untuk integration ini. Sekian, terima kasih.
Hi guys, hello everyone. So now I'm Mas Liza. I'm gonna teach you how to do 3B. So the question of 3B is basically the revenue generated in RM by selling X number of toys is given by Rx is equal to 100x minus 0.2x square. The cost in ringgit to produce X number of toys is given by CS sama dengan 60X plus 200. Find the maximum profit. So in this question, what is the important point we have to take is, which is this one, the revenue and the cost. So we're gonna use this revenue and the cost function to find the maximum profit. Okay, without further, we can move on. So first we want to look for maximum profit. So what we shall do is we have to find the profit. We have to find the profit function. So what is the profit function? Profit function is Rx minus dengan Cx. So we have to take this Rx and the Cx, we have to minus both of them, then only we can get the profit function. So let's find it out. So Rx adalah 100x minus 0.2 x square minus 60x plus 200. So 100x 0.2 x square minus kembang 60x minus positive will be minus negative, so 200. Okay, so okay, 100x minus 60 will be 40x minus 0.2 x square minus 200. So this is the profit function. After we find the profit function, we need to find the maximum profit, right? The Solon asked for maximum profit. How to find maximum profit? We need to get the maximum point. So how to get maximum point? We need to differentiate maximum profit. So maximum profit is equal to 40x minus 0.2 x square minus 200. So if we differentiate this maximum profit function, so 40x will be 40x will be eliminated, and negative square root will bring in front times with 0.2 x square root minus 1, negative 200 will be eliminated also. Okay, so the final answer will be 40 negative 0.4, 2 times 0.2 will be 0.4 x power of 1. So no need to write lah. So this will be the maximum point equation. So after we get the maximum profit function, we need to find the value of the function, the maximum profit function, right? So what is the value of the maximum point? Will be, we have to let profit function, which is we differentiate just now, to 0. So it will be 40 minus 0.4x equal to 0. So now 40 bring there will be negative 40, negative 0.4x, and negative 0.4x will bring down, it will be divided with 40, x remain there. So the answer, the final answer will be 0. If you press calculator also will be 0. Negative 40 into 4, 0.4, 100. Okay, so the final answer, the maximum point value is 100. So this is the maximum point. So okay, before we need to find maximum profit, so we need to prove that this equation is the maximum profit equation. So how to prove maximum point? Okay, we have to prove this. So how to prove? As we all learned, we have to differentiate twice to prove that this is the maximum point. So if like the final answer we get less than 0, it will be maximum. If more than 0, it is minimum. So let's find out what we get here. So what is the equation is by profit function for t minus 0.4x. So we gonna differentiate this twice. So already done one time, so we're gonna differentiate another one more time to identify whether it's maximum or minimum. So if maximum will be less than 0, if minimum will be more than 0. Okay, so if we differentiate this again, 40 will be eliminated, we left out with 0.4, x also will be eliminated. So hence prove which is this is less than 0. So negative 0.4 less than 0, so this which is mean this is maximum point. So we will get maximum profit. So after we got the maximum point, which is we prove it actually is a maximum point, we can continue to find the maximum profit by replacing the maximum point 100 maximum point 100 to the profit function equation, which is the here the profit function equation. So we gonna take this 100 and we're gonna replace it here. Oh no, here. We're gonna replace this to here. Okay. So now we're gonna substitute x equal to 100 into the profit function. So it will be profit function is equal to 40 x replaced with 100 and minus 0.2 x replaced with 100 and power of 2 minus 200. So the answer will be 40,000 negative 0.2 power 100 power of 2. Okay, let's look at it. 0 negative 0.2 100 power of 2. Okay, again negative 0.2 power of 100. Okay, so the answer will be negative 200. Negative 200 minus negative 2000 minus 200. Okay, so 4000 minus 2000 minus 2000 minus 200 will be 1800. So the maximum profit is RM 1800. So this is the final answer. Thank you.